In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Maps to your Wix website quickly and easily. If you're looking to give your website visitors the ability to find your location effortlessly or to add an interactive map display, you're in the right place. With Wix, this process is pretty straightforward, and I'll walk you through each step. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to head over to your Wix website editor. Once you're logged in, select the website you're working on and open it in the editor. The Wix editor is a powerful tool offering a user-friendly interface that allows you to make changes with ease. Once you're familiar with it, you can achieve a lot, including adding dynamic elements like Google Maps. After you've entered the editor, look towards the left-hand side of the screen. You're going to want to click on Add Elements. This section is your gateway to a wide range of features, from text and images to more interactive elements like maps. Clicking on it will bring up a list of all the elements you can add to your website. Now, in the Add Elements section, there's a search bar. Click on Search Wagabakibao, which allows you to quickly find the element you have in mind without having to scroll through the entire list. Here, we'll streamline the process by searching directly for maps. Type Maps into the search bar. This will provide you with different map options to choose from. Our aim here is to utilize Google Maps, which is a trusted and widely used platform that offers detailed mapping and location features. Once you've located Google Maps in the search results, go ahead and click on it. This will add a pre-designed Google map to your web page. It's crucial at this point to pick a design template that complements your website's overall look. Wix gives you various design choices, from simple color schemes to detailed effects, so spend a moment finding a style that fits your brand identity. With your map added, you'll have some customization options. One of the key features is Manage Locations. Click on this to input specifics such as your business's title or personal name. It's the map's label, so ensure it's accurate and descriptive. Next, fill in a description for your location. This is especially important if your business is hard to locate or if there's additional information you'd like your visitors to know when they view your map. Descriptions are a great way to add context or convey messages directly alongside the map point. Adding Google Maps to your Wix website not only enhances user experience, but also provides an interactive way for visitors to engage with your location. Whether you're guiding them to a business address or highlighting significant landmarks, these steps ensure your information is clear and accessible. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful.